It's not the failures you plan for that stop you. It's the ones you never saw coming that end up costing you the most. Emerson Synchros, an industrial IoT wireless monitoring platform that brings trusted Emerson performance into wireless condition monitoring and makes the unseen visible and empowers proactive maintenance. Beyond data, Synchros delivers actionable intelligence, helping reduce downtime, improve operational efficiency, and accelerate both digital transformation and sustainability goals. Designed for users, Synchros simplifies deployment with straightforward setup and flexible installation options, while field-replaceable, intrinsically safe power modules ease long-term maintenance complexities. Built for rugged, harsh environments, Synchros delivers continuous, reliable data where traditional methods fall short, giving you confidence that everything is working properly. Downtime is reduced with predictive maintenance, allowing your teams to focus on work that creates optimal value. Emerson Synchros. See more, know more, do more. The future of asset and condition monitoring starts here.